promised to myself na magiging good mom ako kay Aki and a good partner to Paolo.
We're gonna spend it together.
Puno ng excitement ang holiday season para kina LJ Reyes at Paolo Avellino dahil ito ang unang Kapaskuhan na magsa-celebrate sila kasama ng kanilang firstborn na si Ethan Aquillo.
Super excited. Actually, tinago ko na yung mga regalo niya, ng mga friends ko, yung mga ninang-ninong niya. Kaso yung tatay, sobrang excited kung ano regalo ng anak. Siya nagbukas. Sabi ko, ba't mo binuksan? Sa Christmas pa yung bubuksan ni baby eh. Pero sobrang excited kami. For the first time, syempre magkakasama kami sa isang special occasion. Sa Baguio kami, sa family ni Pao sa Baguio. Doon kami mag-spend ng Christmas.
Paano ba pinaghahandaan ni LJ ang unang Pasko nila with Aki?
Mga plans rin for Christmas. We're gonna spend it together.
Sa akin naman, hindi naman yun sa kung anong material, anong pagkain nyo, anong regalo nyo. Mas importante sa akin yung kasama ko yung mga mahal ko sa buhay.
Ayon kay LJ, mas pinaghahandaan daw nila ni Paolo ang future ng kanilang anak.
Actually, mas nauna nga namin isipin yung saan mag-aaral si Aki bago yun. Kasi parang, ewan ko, sobrang excited kami kay Aki na lahat na naiisip namin tungkol sa kanya. Like, ngayon na pinag-uusapan namin yung kung saan siya mag-birthday next year.
Next year pa yun?
Oo, sa July kung kailan siya mag-birthday.
Nasa plano na rin ba ni na Paolo at LJ ang tungkol sa pagpapakasal?
Yung wedding, wait lang. Wait lang muna yun. Oo. Siyempre, mas importante naman yung relationship, diba? Sa career, kasi like si Pao, yun, ngayon, nabigyan na siya talaga ng break. Yun. And sobrang happy kami ni Aki para sa kanya. Tapos, ako naman, babalik na rin po ako sa work ng soon.
Right now, career muna. Kung anong relasyon namin or with the baby or with anyone sa personal life ko, parang gusto ko i-keep na lang muna as tapos saka ako mag-all out sa showbiz.
Ngayong darating na 2011, may New Year's resolution ba si LJ?
I don't call it resolution kasi ngayon pa lang ako naging ina. So sabi ko, it's a promise. It's a New Year's promise. Siguro, I just promised to myself na magiging good mom ako kay Aki and a good partner to Paolo. For Aki, this is his first Christmas. So baby, I wish you more Christmas to come. And I pray that you would grow up to be a good boy, a smart one, a very respectful and loving baby. Yes, diba? Kay Pao, continue to be the good man that you are. And this is our first Christmas together as a family. Sana more to come.
Unang silip sa engranding kasalang Regine Velasquez at Ogie Alcacid. Ihahatid na namin sa inyo. Panoorin nyo. Ito na.
Bawat isipin ko, dapat i-include ko na siya kasi hindi na ako mag-isa eh. Meron na akong partner. So, yun yung, I have to get used to that.
A few weeks before the entertainment industry's much-anticipated event, dubbed as the Wedding of the Year, newly wedded couple Ogie Alcacid and Regine Velasquez named the key people that will become part of their special day.
Hindi naman ka nahirapan na, di ba? I mean, ano ba naman yung Lea Salonga lang, at saka si Gary V, at saka si Marty, at saka si JR, at saka si Kyla, at small time.
They're all very close to us. Leia, you know, she hangs out with us all the time.
Kyla,
she hangs
Rachel,
out with us all the
oo.
time. Yeah.
Si Kyla, si Rachel, si JR, syempre they're,
We're all friends. Gary.
Oo.
So,
ano na yun eh.
I think hindi pwedeng wala sila.
Okay, pero yung kasi interesado lahat dun sa entourage, sino ba yung best man, ang mga bridesmaid, final na ba ang list?
Yes, I hope I can memorize them. But my best man is my brother,
Okay.
Tony Alcacid.
Okay.
Her maid of honor is
Lila,
Lila Isabel.
his daughter.
Okay.
Van Nijmern Alcacid. And then principal sponsors are FLG, That's our boss, Mr.
Okay.
Gozon. Wilma Galvante, WVG, Vicky Bello. And then there's TC, that's Tita Ching. Tita Ching. And then there's MC, Mami Chris. There's TP, Tita Punch. Tita Punch, that's Manette Mentor. And then who else? MVP, Manny V. Pangilinan. And then there's Mr. H.
Mr. H.
Ronnie Henares. Mrs. H. Vida Henares. And then there's Ana Puno. Because Ana Puno is Ana Puno. Sharon Cuneta. Freddy Santos. No relation to Judian or Vilma. Then there's Mother Lily.
Yes, Mother.
Mother, the only mother in real
The only kuya.
Kuya Germs. And Boss Orly Lakad and Boss Vic. Secondary sponsors, one of my groomsmen is Pinoy. Yung mga showbiz na lang, si Jano Gibbs, Michael V, and Ding Dong Avanzano, Sado. Ano yun? Sano. And then the bridesmaids
Are all kids.
are all kids.
Pamangkin ko, inaanak niya.
At mga
So,
ina.
lahat ng yun.
And then my Sarah is the Bible bearer.
And then there's George and John.
George and John are dogs. They're the vow bearers.
Ang ex-wife ni Ogie na si Michelle Van Aimrin at asawa nitong si Mark Morrow may partisipasyon din sa kasal.
Well, the candle sponsors are Michelle and Mark. For us, it's like a symbolism of, our family, and how their love has inspired us. Michelle is doing her hair,
Parang kung Celeste na yun.
Ano yung flowers?
and then her
Corsage.
well, it's not a corsage, it's a
Bouquet.
bouquet, and then she's also doing the entourage.
Pero siyempre si Michelle hindi man siguro maniningil for that na, no?
Ano ako, sabi ko, magkano naman ang sisingin. Ano ba?
Tsaka yan, ganyan. Ganun talaga.
Sa mga huling araw nila bilang mag-boyfriend.
I think really preparing ourselves spiritually, which is I think the most important thing now that we are going to become husband and wife. No, so
We're enjoying the bliss of preparing the whole thing, the bliss of having the knowledge that a lifetime will be spending together.
Everybody knows naman yung how I started, yung life ko na ako lang, ganyan. So parang this is another, parang ibang journey to for me. And now that we're going to get married, so like he said, parang natutuwa ako na pareho naming kinikilala ulit si God. Not that we don't know Him or anything like that, but it's different when you're with someone na pareho kayo ng, di ba? Parang ganun. So, parang ganun lang yung naisip ko. Parang we both wanted to know Him again. So that's kind of nice.
Pero tayo mga 28 years old.
Na ako 18 lang. Ewan ko sa'yo.
Hindi ka nasasad na, I mean, after all this past 18 years, single ka, tapos biglang all of a sudden, Mrs. Alcacid ka na. Hindi mo ba, wala kang yung parang sadness or parang apprehension, what will my life be?
For me, ako siguro kasi nga I'm so used to just thinking of myself na tapos na ako dun sa family ko, na alam ko na maayos na yung buhay nila. So, I've been thinking of myself lang. So, ngayon, tinuturuan ko yung sarili ko na dapat bawat decision ko, bawat iisipin ko, dapat i-include ko na siya. Kasi hindi na ako mag-isa eh. Meron na akong partner. So, yun yung, I have to get used to that.
And now, you may kiss the bride. Congratulations, you are now man and wife.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Later pa! Total explosive! Lorin Solis at Nadia Montenegro, hindi pa tapos?
Michelle Van Eimeren, kumpirmadong may partisipasyon sa kasal ng ex-husband niyang si Ogie Alcacid. Abangan ang exclusive interview ng Star Talk kay Michelle. Susunod na.